All right, food lovers, get ready for a culinary journey today. I'm diving into the world of steak au poivre, a classic French dish that's as elegant as it is delicious. And what's a show-stopping steak without some equally impressive sides? Today, I'll guide you through 3 must-try recipes that will elevate your steak au poivre to the next level. First up, we've got a creamy, dreamy potato gratin. Imagine thinly sliced potatoes bathed in a rich garlic and cream sauce, baked until golden and bubbling. You'll start by preheating your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Layer your potatoes in a baking dish, seasoning each layer with salt, pepper, and grated Gruyere cheese. Pour a mixture of heavy cream and minced garlic over the top. Bake for about an hour or until the top is a beautiful golden brown. Trust me, this will make your steak sing. Next, let's add some greens with a twist. Haricots verts almondine. These elegant French green beans are sautéed in butter with slivered almonds and a touch of lemon zest. Start by blanching your haricots verts in boiling water for a couple of minutes, then plunge them into an ice bath to keep them crisp and vibrant. In a skillet, melt some butter and toast the almonds until they're golden. Toss in the green beans, season with a pinch of salt and the zest of 1 lemon. Not only does this side add a pop of color, but the nutty, citrusy flavors complement the peppery steak beautifully. Lastly, a fresh and tangy salad to balance out the richness of the meal. I'm talking about an arugula and fennel salad with a simple vinaigrette. Thinly slice a fennel bulb and toss it with a handful of fresh arugula. For the vinaigrette, mix together olive oil, lemon juice, Dijon mustard, salt and pepper. Drizzle it over the salad and toss to coat. The peppery arugula and crisp fennel add a refreshing bite that's just perfect alongside your steak au poivre. So there you have it, 3 sides that will take your steak au poivre from great to unforgettable. Whether you're hosting a dinner party or just treating yourself to a gourmet meal at home, these recipes are sure to impress. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more delicious recipes. Happy cooking!